The Aussie dollar was last above 65 US cents in November, when it was on the way down from a peak of 69.4 in September. It bottomed in January as the US dollar peaked just before Donald Trump's inauguration, since when the American currency has declined 10%, pushing the Aussie back up to where it was 6 months ago, which tonight is 65.3 US cents. Now, during Trump's first term as president, global investors were happy to lend money to the US government for 20 years at 3% interest. Now they want 5%, and they're not even sure about that. Last week there was an auction of 20-year government bonds, which didn't go very well at all. And that's because investors got to look at the One Big Beautiful Bill Act, as it's officially called, which wraps an entire legislative program into one bill that, among many other things, extends the tax cuts from Trump's first term. According to the Congressional Budget Office, it adds up to more than $3 trillion of extra deficit over 10 years. I mean, $1 trillion here, $1 trillion there, and pretty soon you're talking about real money. The share market was basically flat today, with gains balancing falls, and that followed a small drop on Wall Street on Friday, and mixed performances in Asia today. And on commodity markets, gold, copper and oil went up 1% or more, while iron ore fell 1%. And finally, Morgan Stanley has had a go at predicting how many humanoid robots there'll be in the world in 25 years. They reckon there'll be 1 billion of them. At that growth rate, there'll be more humanoids than humans 25 years later. And that's finance.